Here's a little bit of history about the Celtic Manor Resort and what's there today. The Roman Road course takes its name from the main Caerleon to Caerwent Road, which crosses the course, and part of the Montgomery course is built around a hilltop military camp. The resort is built around the Celtic Manor, which was built for the largest coal mine owner in South Wales in the early 1860s, Thomas Powell. He was the first coal millionaire. From 1940 to 1975, the manor became a maternity hospital. Lots of people who were born here have come back to be married at the resort. Sir Terry Matthews, the owner of the Celtic Manor since 1980, Wales's only billionaire, was one of those people born here at the maternity hospital. Today, the resort consists of 2 hotels, the Manor Hotel and the Celtic Manor Resort. 3 championship golf courses, the Roman Road, the Montgomery and the 2010, the first course created especially for the Ryder Cup. The Celtic Manor Resort is part of the great golfing tradition in Wales, with many golf courses, often with fantastic natural resources and laid-back atmospheres.